Hi, my name is Javier Rodriguez. This is phase 3 interaction practice on Skype with your tutor or record the video through a screencast of Matic and YouTube tools. This is a space for a link to video in YouTube. This is a space for publish the video in the forum of phase 3. This is my postal of Machu Picchu. Okay, Machu Picchu is one of the most tourist places in Peru. Apart from being a natural place, be located at 2,400 meters above the level from the sea. It is a place where you can walk. This walk lasts a couple of days. I think it is worth reaching this place with such a majestic view. From picture, yes, I will mainly describe it as an impressive place for having one of the best views in the world. Hi my family, how are you? I am in Peru, exactly in Machu Picchu. I decided to take this trip to take advantage of my vacation that they give me at work to fulfill the dream of of knowing such an impressive place. Recently, I took a picture in front of a wonderful view that can be seen from here above. Around the incredible mountains are very large. There are quite a lot of stairs in this place. The incredible is the amount of people who visit this place. I feel really happy and amazed that I could get here after walking for several hours, but I was worth it because of that I put on sportswear and comfortable shoes because I knew the road was long. It is really an impressive place. I love the majestic view that I can be see from here what. The only thing I don't like I don't like is not being able to visit this place with my family. I hope to see them soon back from my vacation. I will stay in Peru a couple more days. Goodbye.